so excited to see you guys again. Today we're going to show you how to make bird feeders. So what we're going to need is paper roll, and we're going to need honey, and we're going to need some string, and we're going to need bird feeder. We're going to take our paper roll and we're going to put a little bit of honey. Honey with honey. It smells. Now roll, 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 you roll gently down the seas. You like that? You like it? Ready, set, roll. Ready, set, roll. Okay. Spread it out. Show. Later, when these paper rolls dry, we're gonna go outside and show you we had a nest, and we had 3 little teeny tiny eggs in there, and they're birds, and they just hatched yesterday, and we had so much fun. So now we're just gonna wait for this to dry. You know what? When we started eating and we come back for dinner time, we come back, one bird fell and then and then my dad got it. Now that are all dry, we're gonna put the string and through it. If you need help, somebody can help you tying. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Ava, do you like my bird feeder? I love yours. I love yours so much. Let's go outside and hang these on the trees. Come with us. Come on, Ava, let's go show them our bird nest. Baby, they're sleeping, so we need to be really quiet. Maybe they're sleeping, guys. Oh, here are our birds. I want to see them. They're so cute. I hope you guys liked our video. See you next time. Bye!